Facing pressure to tackle the rising cost of living, President Trump unveiling what he's calling his great health care plan.
The government is going to pay the money directly to you. It goes to you, and then you take the money and buy your own health care.
But it's not clear how that would work. Details of the plan are sparse. It's just a few paragraphs on the White House website. Trump has been promising a health care plan for a decade. In the last campaign, he said this.
I have concepts of a plan. I'm not president right now.
But his new plan still short on specifics. Top officials calling it broad and a framework. And health policy experts tell us this leaves more questions than answers. The plan includes few details on how much money Americans would get and whether it would cover their health care costs. The White House suggesting it's up to Congress to work out the details.
Congress and the White House are going to work together to put this plan into action.
Trump is also promising his plan will lower drug prices, asking Congress to make into law deals he's already made with pharmaceutical companies to bring down costs. And he wants insurance companies to be more transparent about their rates. His announcement comes as healthcare costs for more than 20 million Americans have skyrocketed in recent weeks after Republicans failed to extend expiring Affordable Care Act subsidies. Already 1.4 million fewer people signing up this year. Astrid Story, a mom and small business owner in Denver, Colorado, is currently battling thyroid cancer. Her monthly premiums have soared from $1,400 to $1,900.
How is that fair? How is that fair to a cancer patient that their first thought has to be, am I going to be able to afford the treatment that is going to keep me alive?
But the president's plan doesn't do anything to renew these subsidies. The White House rejecting efforts on the Hill to extend them, even after the House recently passed a 3-year extension. Now, I have repeatedly pressed the White House on whether the president's plan will be enough to cover the same costs. They say only it will lower costs. Meanwhile, Democrats are dismissing Trump's plan as more, quote, empty promises from the president, guys.
And many, many millions of Americans are left hanging in the balance. All right, Mary, thank you.